Creatos. That's going to be hundreds of millions, maybe billions of kind of small business agents. Similar deal for Creatos. That's
someday for there to be thousands of agents available. We want 1,000 agents to bloom.
You call it agents, but it's going to be for the very first time agents sitting on top of tools.
Hey guys, you are here probably because you have heard the term AI agents being thrown around everywhere and wanted to know what the fuss is all about.
Yes.
Yeah.
So today I will explain the fundamentals of AI agents, and by the end of this video you will have a clear idea of what it is and its scope. So let's dive in. AI or artificial intelligence, as we all know, is a simulation of the human brain that can think, learn and solve problems. In simple words, it's raw intelligence. And when we want to use this intelligence for a certain objective, that's where agents come in. Thus, AI agents is a program or system that can make decisions and take actions based on data and prompt fed onto it, using the intelligence from AI. Also, stay till the end to check whether you have learned the basics of AI agents, as I have put a questionnaire of 5 questions based on what we will learn here. Now, moving on. We have checked out the definitions, but what can AI agents do? They can do literally anything given they are set up properly. They can answer questions, set up your routine, automate your tasks, and even handle your to-do list.
Damn!
So let's see how they look like. They are best explained as a combination of interface and workflow. Interface is the part that we interact with. As you can see here, I can give my input in the form of words, in voice mode, or as a switch in some cases. Next comes the main part, the workflow. Here, it will first take the input given by us. Then comes a series of steps or nodes. This may include checking the corresponding database, followed by decision making, and finally doing the assigned task. Remember, the workflow design may change, hence the nodes also might change depending on what decision or task you want to carry out. And after the workflow is completed, we get our desired output via the interface. Enough of the basics now. Let's dive a bit deeper and discuss about different agentic patterns. According to Andrew Ng, the superstar of the AI world, there are 4 vastly accepted agentic patterns. Number 1, reflection. In this, we simply ask the AI to carefully look through its own results. One example would be if we ask the AI to write a code for a particular task and ask it to check its result for correctness, style, and efficiency, or even debug if necessary. Overall, it's going to go through a circular loop of check and change based on feedback. Number 2, tool use. In this, we can give the AI specific AI tools using which they can accomplish their tasks. For example, if we want to set our daily routine and give the AI access to calendar, it can do it for us. Now, moving on to the next one, planning and reasoning. In this, you give the AI a task and it will carve out a step-by-step plan for you as well as the necessary tools required to accomplish it. And finally, multi-agent systems. In this, we have multiple AI models for specified roles that together accomplish a task. To understand the real power of AI agents, we have to understand the types of multi-agent structures. Number 1, sequential structure. A sequential structure means that the agents perform tasks one after another in a predetermined order. Each agent completes its tasks and passes the results or processed data to the next agent in the sequence. This is useful for workflows that require step-by-step processing, ensuring data integrity and controlled execution. Moving on to the next one, hierarchical structure. A hierarchical multi-agent AI system organizes agents in a layered structure where higher-level agents supervise and delegate tasks to lower-level agents. This is very similar to the structure that we see in IT companies. This structure enhances control, efficiency, and specialization in complex AI workflows. Parallel structure. A parallel multi-agent AI system consists of multiple agents working simultaneously and independently on different tasks. This structure is ideal for high-speed processing, large-scale automation, and real-time decision-making. Moving on to the next one, hybrid structure. A hybrid multi-agent AI system combines elements of sequential, hierarchical, and parallel structures, allowing AI agents to collaborate dynamically. This flexible approach balances control, efficiency, and adaptability, making it ideal for large-scale AI workflows. Now, asynchronous structure. An asynchronous multi-agent AI system allows agents to operate independently without waiting for each other to complete tasks. For example, smart traffic control system where AI agents operate independently. Now, enough of academia. Now, let us discuss the scope of it and future opportunities in real life. The opportunities of AI agents are endless, but the top three will be AI-powered side hustles like content creation, dropshipping, and trading via AI agents. Second one, creation of AI automation agencies to help drive growth of other companies, especially the SaaS ones. And last but not the least, AI agents tailored for learning, exam preparation, and our day-to-day life activities. And as promised earlier, here are the 5 questions to check how much you guys have learned. Please pause and try to answer as much as you can. I would highly recommend all of you to check the video AI Agents Fundamentals in 21 Minutes by Tina Huang, for which I have added the link in description. In fact, 2025 is going to be the year of AI agent, so let's learn more about it, and if you like the video, please like, subscribe and click on the notification bell to learn more about AI.